Good afternoon, YouTubers. How's it going, man? I'm not from America, but you know, it's nice putting a voice at times, isn't it? Right then, let's talk about the FiveM. I was having problems with an error. My FiveM kept crashing. Nvidia GPU drivers encountered a problem. So I went onto YouTube, I searched for this myself, and I found a couple of videos that helped me, but they was in Spanish. So I figured out what to do, how to do it. I'm going to show you boys and girls how I done it. So you can locate your FiveM application data folder. It's usually in, go to your PC. Obviously I've got 3 different hard drives, so whichever one you installed it on, you'd go to that, go to Windows, no not Windows, Users, click on your profile, app data, local, you should find it there. Obviously I've moved mine onto my desktop, so that's why it's not there. So you come into FiveM, go into your application data, into your cache, everything in browser. Actually no, not everything in browser, but go to your GPU cache and just delete all that. Okay, when you've done that again, go back into that cache, copy it all, Control A, delete. Since doing this, I have not had no problems with FiveM crashing. I was playing for about 4 hours last night. Before that, I'd crash after about 45 minutes. So fingers crossed, boys and girls, this works for you. If it does work, leave your comments down below. Please give me a like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Peace.